May cookies yun.
Dapat niya mga kuan.
Okay. Tag-tag lang ha, tag lang. Iya, wala.
Uy.
Dito na.
Oh.
Ready. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Tapos kita smile.
Dahil kasi photo naman kamot ko dyan ha.
Check.
Snow World.
Kung nakakaon na bas nasa lawan.
Hindi na uli. Siya lang siya. Oh my gosh. Oh. Kaya mo. Ay, may pinas. Oh, pusing ka mo ba? Nakapicture na ako. Oh my gosh, pala. Wala ko kung
Bye-bye, lakbay. Ano na yung lakbay na? Ano na yung lakbay? Lakbay na. Pagkatapos na exit. Kaya, bili ko muna. Dapat may masakit na sa train.
Amo naman kasi yung idea para mag ginagusok, no? Pero meron pa mga kapatid sa akin.
amo ni sa entrance sa kasi kulangan.
Oo.
Yan eh, para hindi magdinos o panay.
Okay, masakit na sa train.
Sobrang sumaluro.
Sa atin dito.
Diba? Nakaimod ka din sa sumito. Tubig na lang mag-adjust.
Ayan guys. Let's go. Lalakbay na tayo sa buong Pilipinas. Lalakbayin natin ngayon ang buong Pilipinas.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Mabuhay, and welcome to Lakbay Pinas. Before our journey begins, we have a few reminders to ensure that we all have a safe and enjoyable ride. Please wear your face masks during the ride.
We do have
Remain
face
seated
masks.
and keep arms in while the train is moving. Hold your cameras and gadgets firmly when taking pictures or videos, and refrain from loud noises that may cause disturbance. And now, sit back and relax as we
Pwede
take you on a
pwede
journey
kanino.
through the natural wonders, treasures, history,
Pwede.
and culture of the islands of the Philippines.
Yan.
Tara na at maglakbay Pinas!
Yes! Yan guys, let's go. Lalakbay tayo sa buong Pilipinas.
Early Latinus and Malay settlers in the Philippines were first sighted on native trading ships called bus. Soon, Spanish galleons with conquerors Ferdinand Magellan arrived and claimed the country after King Philip II of Spain. Thus was coined the Philippines.
Ayun na, Batanes. Nasa Batanes pa tayo. Let's go to
Let's continue
Baguio.
our journey through the island of Luzon. From Manalas Beach terraces, Ilocos windmills, to the Spanish architectural feats, like the famous Malolos Church in Bulacan.
Malolos. Wow! Ilocos. Malacanang Palace. Wow! Pagoda, Bukawi. Pahiyas.
Enjoy the vivid colors of the Pahias harvest in Lukban, Quezon, and the Parol Festival in Pampanga.
Pampanga.
Marvel at Mount Mayon's cone shape and step into Aguinaldo's shrine in
Mount
Cavite.
Mayon.
In 1922, the Malintang Tunnel was built by the Americans as a bomb-proof storage, shelter, and hospital. It was utilized over a two-decade period till 1945 by both the Americans and the Japanese during the Second World War. Hello, Old Manila!
Rizal Park.
Chinatown's bustling street shops, and then traverse through the high-rise buildings of modern Bonifacio Global City. From preserved architecture
Jones.
to unique Filipino pop culture. That's Manila.
Boracay. Leyte.
In 1944, General Douglas MacArthur landed in Leyte, thereby fulfilling his promise, I shall return. The Visayan Islands hold religious festivals all year round, from the percussive beats of the Simu in Cebu and the Mascara Festival in Bacolod. A plethora of adventures await.
Wow, Maria Cristina, Pagsanhan Falls. Oh my gosh, the crocodile. Si Lulong. Lulong.
And preserving its natural wonders and rich Muslim heritage.
Gani. Wow.
Say hello to Lolo, the world's largest crocodile in captivity.
Wow.
Found in the Western Bay Mountains, and found in 1,075 forests.
Bye, Lolong.
We end our journey in the City of Heroes, here in Dapitan City, the exile home of our national hero, Jose Rizal.
Rizal Shrine. Lungka na See you.
Ito, may white lady. Ito.
Ilang pag ganito.